What changes to tax policy have come out of this session and out of your committee?
There haven't been a lot of changes in tax policy this year just because the emphasis has been on the budget. We've been asked not to look at any bills that have fiscal impact, particularly, because it's taking away from some important programs, particularly public education and the corrections and some of these things that are really taking some big hits. And so you don't go in and revamp tax policy when all you're trying to do is get by, get food on the table from day to day. Certainly I think we've set some precedents of what we want to accomplish. I think we're looking at trying to either reduce or eliminate the personal property tax, get the income tax rates lower, possibly someday even reduce the sales tax by getting rid of some of the sales tax exemptions. So we've put some things in place, but we haven't actually created a difference in tax policy because it's just not the time to do it.
Okay. Are there, when or if revenues returns, are there some other changes you'd like to see? I mean, you talked about lowering.
Yes, I think so. Again, we've talked about some things we'd like to do. We need to look at sales tax on internet sales so that we put an even playing field for all of our businesses so that you don't have the brick and mortar stores trying to compete at a disadvantage to catalog sales and internet sales. We need to look at some of those sales tax exemptions. That doesn't add up to a lot of money unless you get into some that are going to be pretty controversial, but it adds up to some. And again, try to reduce the rates for everyone so that everybody gets a break, not just specific individuals or specific groups or specific businesses.